Hi, Jeff Johnston here, lead economist for CoBank. The recently signed Secured Networks Act is wreaking havoc on wireless operators and increasing the odds that some Americans could lose their only wireless communication service. In response to national security threats posed by certain foreign companies, the U.S. government now requires telecom operators to rip and replace unauthorized equipment from their network. The act has put these companies in a holding pattern at the worst possible time, as now more than ever, Americans need access to reliable communication services. The act includes $1 billion to cover the costs incurred, but Congress has yet to appropriate these funds. Additionally, the FCC still hasn't defined the rip and replace rules that companies need to follow. As a result of these uncertainties and restrictions, operators are unable to plan their future network strategies, but even worse, they are one lightning strike or hurricane away from having sections of their network wiped out for an extended period of time. And given that these networks are sometimes the only option available, such an event would have severe consequences for rural America. There needs to be a sense of urgency on the part of Congress to appropriate the $1 billion and for the FCC to establish the rules of engagement. Until then, they're putting operators in an untenable situation and creating unnecessary risks for rural residents. To learn more, read my report on CoBank.com.